welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because today I am going to give you ideas for gifts for the crafters in your life. So can you believe it? We are already in November. I cannot believe it. The holidays are around the corner. It is the end of 2020. Thank God. I know 2021 will be better. It can only get better, right? But holidays are coming. If you have crafters around you and you would like to find what is the best gift for them, or if you want to gift yourself too, then this video is for you. I chose a bunch of my favorite things that I am going to gift for the craft lovers in my life. So this is just to give you ideas and maybe it will inspire you in gifting to the people around you that you love. All right? So if you would like to know what are my favorite things to gift the people I love in my life that are crafters, then keep on watching. So let's begin straight with this beauty. It is a bag. It is actually a craft bag, but that is specialized for knitters. And you know that now I added knitting on my crochet channel. So, but I actually think that it would work for knitters and crocheters. It's a travel bag. I love the pattern on it. It reminds me of like Japanese delicate designs. The brand, I think it's Lunia or Luxia. Anyway, I will put all the information about everything that I'm showing you in the info box down below. Just as a reminder, this is not a sponsored video. I bought everything with my own money. I just want to share it with you so I might maybe inspire you. So anyway, so why is it a knitting bag? Because you see how long it is. That's just to accommodate the length of knitting needles. And now I am crossing my fingers because I am supposed to meet my kids in Sedona soon. And this is what I'm going to take with me. I'm going to put my crochet needles and my knitting needles and all the little bits and bobs that I need to take with me in this bag. It's adorable. You can open the zipper. It has pockets inside. Love it. I will try to put all the prices right here so you know how much it costs. And as I said, you unroll the info box and all the information will be there for you as well. So that was my number one favorite. So what I'm going to do actually is put all kind of things in a bag very similar to this one. And that is the gift that I'm going to make to my people in my life, to the people in my life that are crafters. Okay, but I'm going to tell you now what I'm going to put inside this bag and give them. So if you have been following me for a while, you know that I am a scissor collector. I know, weird, but I specifically like antique looking scissors. So I'm always on the lookout for weird looking or beautiful looking scissors. Anything I love. I love going on Etsy.com, and I also love to encourage small businesses. I think that's why Etsy is a really nice website. If you would like to check them out for gifts for your loved one, it's not just for craft gift. They have a lot of things that you can personalize, you know, bands for your watches or little purses or toiletry bags. So yeah, I found those on Etsy. Those are gorgeous. I love them. They're so rock and roll. They're beautiful. They are they look like the Harley Davidson logo. They have two angel wings, and I love the details on those. Those are my favorite find in a long time, and I will put this in the bag as well. So that is there is no crafter that doesn't need scissors. You always need scissors. You need to crochet, you sew, you need scissors. And to stay with the scissor theme, I found those one too that are super cute. They look very antique. They are this brushed bronze matte. Love them so much, and that would be also very much appreciated by all the crafters in your life. I don't know about you, but I'm losing my memory more and more with age, and the things that I look after the most and I cannot find when I need it are my scissors. So this is a very nifty solution. You just put it right on top of your neck as a necklace, and you keep it during the time that you're crafting and whenever you need your scissors, and especially when you do mosaic crochet. I'm preparing something for you that is so beautiful in mosaic crochet. Mosaic crochet, you crochet around you cut your yarn, you crochet another round, you cut your yarn. So you need constantly to have scissors around you, and those are perfect to put around your neck, and they are so beautiful as well. They have this antique look that I really like. So almost as much as I love scissors, I love stitch markers. There are two different kinds of stitch markers, one that works for crochet and one that works for knitting. The knitting one is just a ring that you slide on your knitting needle. So depending on the size of your ring, you can buy different sizes of stitch markers. I found those. I am going to just show you on the screen. Those are specifically for knitting, and they're called boho, and they kind of remind me of those paperweights where, you know, you see glass and then kind of a kaleidoscope design inside. They are beautiful and I love them. So those are for the stitch marker, for the knitting. And then for the crochet, those are the little clasp, because you just have one stitch in crochet, you clasp the stitch marker on your crochet, on your stitch, wherever you need it. And those are so cute. I found them on Etsy as well, and they're little skeins of yarn, all kind of color schemes. I think there is even an ombre one in it, but they're so cute. I love them so much. So those two different stitch markers are my favorite that I found on the internet, and that would be a great addition to a little craft goodie bag. My next favorite is circular knitting needle. I love knitting with circular knitting needle. To me, it's easier. It puts less strains on my arms when I do the movements, and I found those on Amazon. They are bamboo circular needle. I think this one is about a 20-inch cord in between, but you can find them with 20-inch cord. You can see how it is shorter, and I think they're like 9 or 8 sizes in each package. They are not expensive and they are really pretty good quality. I really like them, and sometimes you even get little plastic tapestry needle as a little bonus. One of them came with it, the other didn't. But anyway, I will put the link down below so you can find them. But those are one of my favorites, and they're very affordable. And I think that is a great present for knitters, because it has a range of sizes. And if you even put two different sizes, the 40-inch cord and the 20-inch cord, that would be amazing. And now let's move on to crochet needles. And I found on, I think it was on Amazon actually. I'm not sure if it was on Amazon or no. Yeah, no, it was on Amazon. It's called Animal Island, and they're polymer clay little crochet hooks. They are beautiful. They have this kind of boho colors that I love, with flowers and beautiful purple, turquoise, and pink colors. And it comes in this adorable little travel case that is so compact. And you have I think you have 8 different sizes of crochet. You have little stitch marker, and then you have tapestry needle that come with it, and as well as cable for turning. That's for knitting, but whatever, they put it in this and I'm fine with it. And I absolutely love also the design and the leather on this little travel pack. So that is also one amazing gift that you could add into your little treasure bag. So if we're talking about crochet hooks, I cannot not mention my all-time favorite. Those are the ones that I always go back to. I love having so many kinds of crochet, but those are my favorite. They're the Clover Amour set. They're beautiful. They're a little more expensive, but I have it for a long time and it hasn't moved. So they're beautiful. You can wash them. This is silicone. It's ergonomically really pleasant to my hands. So yeah, I like the weight. I like the way they feel in my arms, in my hands. Beauty. So that will make any crocheter happy. The next thing that I totally fell in love with, and I bought those on Etsy as well, are those little craft Japanese bags. The design is so beautiful already, and also I love the idea. So you have a short handle and a long handle, and you're supposed to kind of pass the long handle in the short one, and you have this little pouch bag that you can carry with you. You can put it on your hand like that, you see, and then inside you can have your crochet hooks, You can have all your things. I think this is super nice. This size is super nice for crocheter. I think that for knitter you might want a bigger one. They have a larger size. I think that's the small size, and they are totally reversible as well. So not only is the pattern so beautiful on the outside, but here, go, let me just do it for you. See, now you have another bag that looks as beautiful. I love both of the design on the inside and on the outside, and actually you have a pocket too. So that would have made me so happy if I had received that. It's so super chic, super elegant. I love Japanese design on fabric. So there are different sizes. I wanted to show you the big one. So you see how it's bigger. This one is bigger, and again you pass this big one through the small one, and this one you can actually put on your shoulder and put knitting needles in. I love them so much. I again found this on Etsy, and it's just a very plain linen toiletry bag. I'm going to use it for my crochet hooks, of course, when I travel. But the fun thing about it is that you can personalize it. So I wrote on it Annoo's crochet bits, and it has that beautiful little crochet hook and a skein of yarn that is gradient, metallic, beautiful. It is not expensive at all. I mean, I think it's very reasonable price for what it is, and I think that is just showing the person that you are gifting something to, that you really took the time, you thought about it, you put their name, you personalized it. That is a super cute touch. So if you have somebody in your life that is a beginner knitter, I think that is such a cute idea. It's from the brand Stitch and Story. It's called Luca Pom Hat, and you have everything you need to create this adorable winter hat. So you have the knitting needles, you have the yarn, and you have the pattern, and I think that is such an amazing gift as well. Who wouldn't like to get that? And it's perfect if you are in lockdown and you're looking for new activities. Hello, here we are. But this would have made me very happy when I began to knit, and I think it's just a very cute idea. I think I covered it all. I think those are all my favorite. I probably forgot one or two. Oh, yes, I did. I knew I had one more. So this is really cool, and it's the first time that I use it, and I actually really like it because I began to knit more. And when I knit, well, first of all, when I knit or I crochet, I multitask. You know, there is life around, things are happening, the phone is ringing, UPS guy, FedEx guys are coming, my husband's calling, my son is calling, the dog needs to be taken out, just life, Zoom meetings, what have you. And then I follow a pattern, and I want to remember what row I am at. Does it happen to you too? And then I forgot. I'm like, oh, I needed 6 rows. How many did I do? And then if it's a complicated project, it's really hard. I have to count all the rows from the beginning. So this is really cool. It looks like a necklace, and it has what looks like one stitch marker for knitting attached to the next, except that each and every one of them has a number. So you slide the one that has the number of the row you are working on, and then every time you begin a new row, you move it slightly to the next number. And then like that, you will never forget how many rows you have to knit. I think it's genius, and I would have loved to receive that in my little crafter's goodie bag. I think now that's it. I have shown you everything that I loved. And for today's giveaway, I'm so excited because I am going to put all my favorite things in one of those Japanese bags, and one of you will be able to win it. So to participate, it's super simple. You need to be subscribed, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's totally free. Click on the subscribe button, hit the little bell to be notified every time I post something new. Anyway, you're subscribed, you just need to comment in the comment box down below, and then I will contact you in the next few weeks to let you know that you are the winner, and you will get your bag anywhere you are in the world. My giveaways are always international. I hope you are well anywhere you are in the world. I hope I helped a little. I hope I entertained you a little for a few minutes in this crazy world of ours. I hope you are all doing well. You are staying healthy. I am sending you huge hugs from the little happy corner of the internet where we are, and I cannot wait to see you next time. In the meantime, bye. gifts for your show. So just no. What are my free? A lot of time is such is the knitting one is such. God. And you just clasp the clasp. The weight is perfect. It's not somebody's at the door. Sorry. By the way, taxi. Probably a package. It's wrong side up because I was looking at it before. Just put it back. The way I like it better. Patience. You need some patience with Annoo crochet. Okay.